everyone, it's Lagos Housewife again. Today I will be telling you about one of my amazing grains, Acha. You hear me talk about Acha a lot. The English name is FONIO. The Nigerian name is Acha. Acha is actually the northern name because Acha is grown in northern Nigeria. It's not that common to the southern and eastern parts. So that's why we really don't have a Yoruba or an Igbo name for it. But if you go to the market and say you want to buy Acha, everybody knows it as Acha. English name, FONIO. Let me show you what Acha is. You can see that tiny grains, very, very tiny grains, but packed with so much health. A slang for it is poor man rice or hungry man rice. The reason they call it that actually is because it's cheap, very affordable, but it is so healthy and available to the common man. That's the reason they gave it, and so beneficial. Let me tell you some of the health benefits of Acha. It is, in fact, I think I jotted it down. Let me show you here. It's very rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, carbs, protein, amino acids, iron, and resistant starch. Because of this, it gives energy. It aids digestion. It's because of the fiber content. It's very good for digestion. It's very good for your gut health, all your intestine, your guts, and everything. It's good for the heart. It's extremely good for diabetics because it's on the low glycemic index. It doesn't shoot blood sugar high. Yes, and it's gluten-free. So if you are gluten intolerant, for celiacs, it's gluten-free. It helps in weight loss if you want to use it for weight loss, meaning it makes you full so you don't get hungry faster. So it can help you, not as if it makes you lose weight, but it can help you not to eat too much. It's good for the skin. It's good for hair growth. It reduces risk of pancreatic and stomach cancer. This has actually been scientifically proven. Also, it helps prevent anemia. You see so many things it is useful for. Extremely good. And the thing about it is that you can cook it any way you want at all. As it is, you can cook it like rice with stew. You can cook it like jollof. You can cook it like, what's that other tiny grain seed? That one that is common. Couscous. You can cook it like couscous. You can cook it like fried rice. You can make it like cereal. That's what I'll be showing you today, how to make it like cereal. In other videos, I'll show other ways to cook it. But today, like cereal for pap and things like that. You can also use it to make swallow. You can grind it. This is the seed, but I actually have the one I have grinded here. This is Acha flour. You can see I wrote it myself. Look at that Acha flour. So that is it. Grinded smooth. You can use it for baking, for swallow, for pancake, for waffles, for cookies. And the amazing thing with Acha is the fact that you can mix it with anything and it won't change the taste of that thing. Acha itself doesn't have a strong taste. It has like a bland taste, like rice. You know, rice is plain bland. If you cook rice plain, practically bland. That's how Acha is. So you can mix with it anything. If you add fruit to it, it will take on the taste of the fruit. If you add savory things to it, like maybe salt and co, that's the taste it will bring out. Okay, like here now, I have beetroot and Acha flour here. I use it for swallow and things, and it gives the taste of the beetroot. I also have the moringa and Acha, which you can use for baking, for swallow, for things like that. Then also I have this one, finger millet with Acha. Also, this is finger millet mixed with Acha. So it goes well with anything. You can mix it. You can buy your Acha, grind it, and add any other thing you want to it. Like if you want to use it to make a pineapple cake, use the flour, add your pineapple to it, blend it together with it. It's just so amazing. But one thing I want you to know with Acha is that it absorbs a lot of water. So when you cook it, small amount is going to swell, even with cake. So it's going to need more moisture than normal other things. That's one thing I want you to know with it. It's going to need more moisture than regular flour. So you're going to add a little more liquid things to it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the grains, as I told you, to make Acha cereal. This is something I eat a lot for most breakfast. Add your acha in a pot. Add water, or you can use milk if you want, any type of milk. Switch on your gas. Just let it come to a boil. You can see the quantity of water to acha. Don't worry, it will swell up, you see it. Can you see how it's thickening up? So all you do is just keep stirring. You can see that. I told you it absorbs water a lot. Can you see how much it has thickened? Yes, your acha is ready. So that is acha cereal. The longer you leave it, the thicker it becomes. Oh, look at that. See how easy it is to make your acha. Very simple, very healthy, very nutritious. And the thing is, once you've made it like this, you can add anything you want to it. You can actually even take it like parfait, like Greek yogurt parfait. Or if you want to take it like cereal, you just add your milk. You can use it with any type of milk, coconut milk, cow milk, tiger nut milk, almond milk, any milk at all, cashew nut milk. Then you can also add fruits to it. Slice banana, or eat it with berries or kiwi, things like that. Just put it on it. You can also add nuts. Like groundnut, pecans, walnuts, cashew nut. You can also add nut butter to it, like peanut butter, cashew nut butter, almond butter, and things like that. It goes with anything. So you can mix anything with it to make it more nutritious, adding more nutrients and things like that. That's simply acha for all of you that have always been wanting to know. This one way to make it, like pap. You can see that. Next time, I'll teach you how to make it like rice. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you with another recipe very soon.